Hello. Guess what I got here? I like this one. This is awesome. I got a 1998 or 1989. I'm sorry. It's a 1989 Hess fire truck. Look at that. Now, I think this is awesome. Watch. Okay. This is also a bank. Watch this. Look here. Let me move the camera down so you can see. Also have a tow truck. I don't have batteries for that, so I can't really show you that there. But look at this guy. The lights are on. Watch. Back lights too. Shea Bear. I think this is a cool truck. Lights all blinking. Now check this out. Look at this. So it's staying inside the camera. Look at that. That ladder shoots way out there. This is a 1989 Hess fire truck. I don't know, I get the mirrors to stand out. The mirrors to come out. Batteries might be almost dead. But check it out, man. Let me see what else it does. Look at that. I think that's awesome. So you think that's cool? Batteries might be going dead. I like that. I think that's awesome. Let me see something. Let me try it with the lights out. Hold on. Let me turn the light on, man. And we'll see what it looks like in the dark. In the garage. Let's check this out now while it's in the dark. Fire department. Look at that. Look at that. Back ones I don't think flashes. Look at that. Yeah. Cab lights up. I think that's pretty awesome. The batteries sound like they're dying out. If anyone thinks that's cool, give this video a thumbs up. But yeah, that's it. That's a 1989 Hess fire truck. And it's a bank. It's a bank, and I'll show you how you drop your money underneath the ladder here. Underneath the ladder. Right there. Now watch, you go here in the back, you open this up, and your millions that come out. Look at that. I think that's awesome. Yeah, I thought this would turn down, but it don't. So there's the fire truck. Like I said, I do not have the AAA batteries for this tow truck to turn the lights on. Last time I put it away, it did work. So it still should work, no problem. But when I get batteries, I'll do another video on this thing. But yeah, it's a mobile fire truck, or tow truck, sorry. Feels like it's die-cast metal, but it's not. I got all the levers in the back. It's a 1995 mobile tow truck. The boom, I believe the boom does lift up on it. I don't want to break the thing. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. I believe that there goes like that. You can bring the boom, should be able to bring, that's all the further the boom will move up. But yeah, so if you like this video, leave a like, leave a comment. No, that goes back, comes out, straight out. But yeah, this comes off. This does come off. And this is the wheel part in the back. Yes. So I just wish I had AAA batteries, but I don't have none of them. And when I do get them, I will take a video of this thing for you guys with the lights flashing. All right, that's what I wanted to bring you today. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell. Share this video. Also, I would appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. But I'm having problems here with this thing getting it back on here. Without falling apart. There we go. Now I got her back in place. But yeah, so I think this tow truck's pretty cool. And the fire truck. But yeah, too bad I can't tow the fire truck. The wheels sit too far back in there. Yeah. I had these things down my basement, and I had got them out. I was looking for something for my wife in one of the totes down there, and this happened to pop up. I kind of figured I had a fire truck. I think I still have. I think I also have a police car. I think I have a police car somewhere. Not sure where that's at. Probably packed away somewhere. Let me try to get this back in here. And I always keep them in the boxes, you know. But I thought I'd bring that to you. The fire truck's pretty cool, I think. Yeah, I'm not sure if I still have a couple Hess trucks around yet or anything like that. But yeah, the tow truck's pretty cool. I like that too. But I tried to look for some batteries for it, but I didn't have any batteries laying around the house. or sitting around the house anywhere for this tow truck. I would love to turn the lights on. It takes 3. It's says it's a collectible toy truck. It has the tow arm, tow view. Yeah, it says it's a 1999 or 1995 mobile collectible truck. Doesn't say who makes it. It's a limited offer collectible um, truck, but it shows that the lights do flash on and off right there. But yeah, so that's my video for today. So I'm gonna let these sit out here in my garage. I'll pull the battery out of the fire truck then, and that way they don't make the inside of the fire truck bad or leak or anything if they do leak. But who knows with batteries nowadays. So yeah, I'm gonna take the batteries out right now. So that way it takes 2 C batteries. That's what I think all the Hess trucks takes right there. So that way, how batteries, they get everything all screwed up. Acid everywhere. Then you can't put no more batteries in them, and, But, yeah, so trying to get this down in there the way it's supposed to. Yeah, I think that's all it is. Maybe I'm not getting it in the box the right way. So, yeah. I'm sure it goes down somewhere. I think maybe I got her jammed up somewhere. Who knows? No, maybe I'm not putting it in the box the right way. Who knows? But, or maybe something in the box is jamming it up. There we go. She's in there right now. All right, so I know a friend of mine, Shea Bear, he'll see this video. He'll leave a comment, and he'll think they're pretty decent. I like Hess trucks. Thanks for watching.